What's up guys, Stixx Picks here. We are here at a storage unit. Of course, you can see behind me. We paid $400 for this 10 by 10. It's not crazy big. Look at that. I don't know exactly why he bought this. Why'd you buy this, Dad?
I was intrigued. I'll tell you right now why. Livermore's a nice area. I've scored twice here in my career. Jack, nice me, area. Manny, Alex, right down the way here, got that train locker.
Right there?
The little one. But I was intrigued why there was so many milk crates with nothing in them. That just...
He said he was sleeping last night. He put a bunch of high bids on units and he won this one. Not by accident, but he wasn't expecting to win it. He woke up and was like, wow, I won this unit. Oh my God. Paid $400 and let's see what we find, guys. All right, we're just gonna start off by moving all these empty totes. There's no reason for us to have these in the front. Just load these real quick. All right, guys, I kind of opened the box before recording, but let's see what else we got in here. I haven't actually seen much of it. This actually in here? No. Hey, wait. These earbuds?
Oh, frick yeah, and these I want.
Oh yeah, you needed a charger. It'd be cool if there's a phone in here too, but look, we just got a brand new charger. Hopefully the second one. I think my charger's kind of old.
The boxes, Michael, you can put on eBay for $5 a pop.
All right, first thing, Timberlands. Woo! Brand new. Look what else we got. Get another pair of shoes. Cole.
That's not bad, Michael.
Cole Haan. Cole Haan. Has a $65 receipt with it from Marshall's. They are size 11.
Size 11?
Size 11. Oh, I don't know how to put them over here. Put it on the good pile, I guess. We're getting there. Come on, Dad. Come on, we gotta go through everything. Look, I thought that was money real quick. I thought this was real money. What does it say? It's $1 million bill. Free. Oh, it's just the username. $1 million right there, guys. Ooh, what's in here? Anything fancy or just like school supplies? Those school supplies, some papers.
Remote controls are hot.
Controls, all right. Oh.
Come on, be
Dior.
I know someone who likes that.
How do I open this? Okay. Boom. All right, that's messed up. They really did us like that. They really did us like that. Some more shoes though. Let's see what shoes these are. Diesel. Look at this. Some more plugs and stuff. I don't care about that. This is like that Chinese New Year stuff. Couldn't there be money in here? I'm gonna open it. Holy crap, is this real money? This is fake, Dad, isn't it? Wait, is this real money?
What is it?
Money, look it.
Oh, I'm coming in a second, hold on.
It's a lot of money. Actually, I can't tell. It's just the 100 that looks fake, but at the same time, it's probably real. It's a lot of money. Is that real money? It was.
Yes,
that's why I was like, holy crap.
Wait a minute.
It was in this, that's why I thought.
That's freaking nice.
And for a second it felt fake. I was like, no, that's real.
Is there any more of those?
That's like $400 right there. For getting these as a kid, you have a couple dollars, like, wow, this feels fat. What the heck? And I opened it and I saw a $2 bill. I was like, no way, is this $2 bills? And you'd open it farther and farther, and there's real, like, what the heck?
That's why you go through everything.
Give me a second. Let me see. 1, 2, $300. This is our unit right here, guys. We paid $400. This is $400 right here, pretty much. This is probably more. And let's continue in this box. This is the first box I pulled out.
Michael, those are like $400 right there.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't even know what kind of shoes those are, but those are brand new.
They're Burberry, fool.
Oh my God.
Let me teach you something, because when you're shopping, this is what's important. See this little checkered pattern?
Yeah.
This is Burberry. This little checkered thing, you always see that on purses.
It's a little bit dirty though, isn't it? It's not brand new, but it's still a great pair of shoes.
What do you think those are new?
I want it.
Oh, I'm so keeping those.
You're keeping these?
Well, yeah, because the last time I wanted to keep a shoe, you took them.
You want to keep these? All right. I guess I can see you wearing those.
That all these great things aside.
This whole box.
Yeah.
This is a great box, guys. First box too. Should I keep this? Should I put this box on the side or no?
No.
It's the your box. That was crazy, guys. I've never found that much money in a unit. Most of my money I found was $100 in a wallet. It looks like we got a laptop box. It feels like, you know, there's a laptop, but you never know. Okay. Is a laptop in there?
That's not bad. Maybe it works. We can give it to Uncle Chris.
See, does it look like, oh, it's like an older laptop.
It's not that old.
It is. It's Windows 7. It's definitely old. But you know what? It's a working laptop. It's a good laptop.
You know what? Go to hell. I grew up on Windows XP.
Look at that. First box. Only opened one box so far. Look at all that on our table. We've got our money back and then some. What's this? What do we gotta grab next? One of these blue totes, maybe?
This one's not bad.
Blue tote, what's in here? Oh, clothes, but you can't underestimate clothes. There might be some stuff under here. Or just some good clothes. It looks like it's kind of just like a common clothes box. Like just, but
remember though,
I could be wrong, that's what I'm saying.
They wore, let me see if I can help you a little bit.
Let's see if you can do some helping of the me. It's a good, cool piece.
That's nice, all funny.
Right, this is clothes on it. It's probably another clothes tote, but never know. It could be stuff at the bottom. There could be some nice brands in here, so you can never doubt it. So let's start by going to the bottom, see if I feel anything. No, all right. Again, this is just definitely just looks like a common clothes box, but probably, what is this?
Hey boy, it's all right.
This box is like wrapped in some plastic. Let's see. Yeah, what's in here? More Christmas lights. Are we back to Christmas lights again? Oh, they aren't Christmas actually.
Wait a minute.
They're just like cool lights. And then some like new stuff. Like this is just brand new. Like this is a brand new doorknob. Okay. That's pretty cool, I guess. Brand new. What is this? A Barrington? I don't know what that is really. Show lights. Yeah, okay. I mean, these can just all be eBay items, maybe.
They were dabbling and selling stuff. Mike. Got a Samsung sound bar here. Maybe we can put that with our TV.
It's pretty cool. We'll check these out and see if they're like worth eBaying, I guess, maybe. They're like brand new, like Dyson vacuums, just chilling, like several of them for some reason.
Weird, huh?
Sex in the City. And, movies right there. T-Mobile. Another iPhone SE. Anything in here? A broken what is this, like a 5? The iPhone, of course, this is the only iPhone that they have in the box. Printed by Phoenix Heritage. Pretty cool. The Phoenix Heritage. This maybe just be more of a personal box, I guess. Nothing in the way. The value, I guess. Personal value, yeah. This might be another personal clothing box. This is some nice clothes for themselves. I don't think there might be any high brand stuff in here, but at the same time, we could be missing
Main one. If it has a tag, Michael, take the time to put it aside.
Oh,
we'll auction it.
All right, like that. So yeah, if we're not going through a crazy amount right now,
huh?
I'm talking to the camera. If we're not going through a crazy amount right now, we always have to unload the flea market. So we will see when we take out the flea market if we missed any key brands, you know what I mean? But if, like, from the first glance of the eye, you can kind of tell like this is sort of just more of a common clothes box with nothing crazy. Maybe here's some pictures down here. Personal pictures, yeah.
It got exciting at first, and then it just turned into like a bunch of nonsense.
The first box is the best.
Yeah, the first 2 boxes was like, oh my god. And then it got into cheap clothing. Does it say candles?
I think it does say candles.
Candles. Life is cold.
Life is cold. Okay, wait.
Weird. Oh, you know what? She's gonna want all those.
All these? That's cool. She got a bunch of things for candles.
Yeah.
But look at that. I guess, I mean, this might be an eBay item. It's just like a brand new thing. I might put a list. If these Swifters, I guess, I don't see why these couldn't be eBayed, right? I don't know. I don't see why not. These are probably worth some decent money. Candles, boom. She might want these too, right, or no? Life like flame candle. You guys a little sneak peek at the pirate stuff that he got in his video. Look at all that stuff. Look at weed eaters, microwave oven, brand new different things like that. Vacuums, like why are they brand new sealed? Like never even open. We're not complaining necessarily, but like dang.
Oh, make sure you get to the bottom of that.
Yeah, what the heck? Looks like a bunch of useless things. Let's see if we can get to the bottom. I didn't see nothing so far.
If you need to, you can go into here.
Game Boy. Oh, I wish. Game Boys are expensive. Oh, it's a game. Mario and Luigi Super Saga could be a good game. I know these older games are expensive. Anything else in this? Hey, I bet this Game Boy Advance pouch is probably listable too, honestly. I wish that Game Boy's in there. Oh my god, that's probably $100 right there too. Oh, empty all this junk. Old Samsung. Alright, I don't think anything is in here really. I guess the best thing we got was that Game Boy pouch for today. There isn't really of value in this. What's in here? What's in here? It was a bit heavy. And it looks like it makes sense why it was kind of heavy. Some glassware. Alright. Nice little standard code. Too crazy. Yeah. Nothing really too crazy to show you guys. Just some cups, some bowls, stuff to cook with, etc. Any money? Any money? I wish. This looked honestly like a junk little suitcase. That's what it looks like, guys. You gotta go in it though, make sure. Alright. Just looking around, make sure.
Did you go in here?
Not yet, no.
Oh!
Dad, I didn't even get to go in it, and he's like, oh, what's in here?
Oh!
Alright, guys.
This is weird.
Does this look like some real
Dude, should I give this to Eviana to put it to her cell phone? I'm going to.
This is Avon. It's just costume. I mean, some nice costumes, jewelry still. For the most part. Alright, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. We got clickbaited. I think those earrings might have been small little earrings.
Yes, very much so.
Thought so. Oh, I found their movie box. One of their boxes of movies. Little shot glasses, looks like. It's a good stack of DVDs or VCRs, DVDs, VHSs, whatever.
Oh.
Cool.
Okay.
Is this in here? Of course it's not.
Of course it's not.
It's $20 right there, gone.
Makes sense. Looks like a bunch of Disney. What do you know about those?
I don't know nothing. What are we gonna do with these VHSs?
Here you go.
I don't even care about this thing.
Oh, Michael, show.
I don't even care. I can't even. Sports Champion. Of course, this one's in here, but the other one's not.
Look at that.
I saw that. I was like, Jessica might want that, huh?
Oh, Jess is definitely dibs in there.
All right, guys, we're done. We just finished loading the rest of the unit. We didn't really show the end of it. Loading, but look, we got a bunch of brand new stuff we put in here. We're gonna look at the warehouse a little bit more. Like just like a stove, a bunch of random stuff. I'll show you a little more at the warehouse, but definitely made our money back. Made a lot more money than we spent. We literally got $400 just in cash. So